Now, let me show you how we're going to delete a note from your PDF on your Mac computer. So as you can see on the desktop, I have a PDF file. It's just a file example, but if I click on it and press the space bar on my keyboard, I get to this preview mode. And as you can see, this little square is essentially a note, right? So as you can see, it's a note example, which I added. So in order to remove it and delete it, what I have to do is to, as you can see, I selected this, I pressed the space bar, and then now I'm going to click on open with preview. So in at the top right corner, we have the button which says open with preview. I'm going to click on it like this, and it essentially opens the same PDF file, but in like a different mode, in a different app. And now the very same note can be accessed like this, but at this point, I can right click on the note on the square right here, and I can right click, and you can see I can remove the highlight or remove the note entirely. So removing the highlight just looks like this, but you can see that if I click on remove note, it makes it disappear, and the note and the highlight actually stays. So it depends on what you want to do, but that's how you're going to do this and make sure that it comes back to the original state. So that's how you can remove notes added to PDFs on your Mac computer. Let me know if that's the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos and similar guides like this, and I'll see you later.